In this video, we're going to show you how to check your current token usage in Claude Code using the built-in context command. When working on coding projects with Claude Code, understanding your token usage is extremely important. Every message, code snippet, file, and response consumes part of the available context window that Claude uses to understand your project. As projects become larger, the context window gradually fills up with information. When this happens, Claude may have less room available for new instructions, code, and project details. Monitoring token usage helps you understand how much context remains available and when it might be a good idea to start a fresh session. This helps improve response quality and help maintain consistency throughout your coding workflow. Fortunately, Claude Code provides a simple command that you can view context information directly from the terminal. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to quickly check your current token usage and better manage your Claude Code sessions. So, let's get started. The first method is to use the context command. Inside Claude Code, type /context and enter. Claude Code will display information about the current conversation context. This typically includes details about how much of the available context window is being used and how much capacity remains. Review the information shown on the screen. If the usage percentage is becoming very high, it may be a good time to summarize important project details and begin a new session. This helps prevent the context window from becoming overloaded with unnecessary information. You can run the /context command at any time during a project to monitor usage and keep track of available space. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open Claude Code and enter the /context command. Second, review the context usage information that Claude displays. And third, monitor the remaining capacity and consider starting a fresh session when usage becomes too high. Remember that the context window is one of the most important resources available when working with AI coding tools. Keeping an eye on token usage can help you avoid performance issues and ensure Claude continues to understand your project effectively. It's also a good practice to periodically summarize completed work and remove unnecessary context whenever possible. This keeps conversations organized, improves efficiency, and allows Claude to focus on the information that matters most. A few seconds spent checking context usage can save a significant amount of time later in large coding projects. And that's how to check your current token usage in Claude Code using the /context command. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.